Hi everyone, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mommy, and today I have summer DIYs that are going to have you running to your local dollar store. For the first project, you're going to need a couple of planters, a bowl that fits inside the planter, rocks, and a solar fountain. I got mine on Temu, but they sell them on Amazon. I'll leave a link to one with a high rating in the description box below. To start, you're going to want to glue the bottoms of two planters together. You can just use hot glue, but for a better hold, I used a combination of Gorilla Glue and hot glue. Line the pots up carefully and secure them in place. At this point, you can grab a Dollarama tray and turn this into a little side table. You can secure it with glue or you can keep it removable. But I had another plan for mine. I grabbed this salad bowl from Dollarama. It fits perfectly inside the pot, and I filled it with river stones that I also purchased from Dollarama. Next, I filled up my bowl with water. I did it almost to the top, and this is what it looks like outside. Next comes the fun part. I added this little solar powered fountain. You can easily find them online. I'll leave a link in the description below. And this is how it works. I seriously love this little water feature, and I can't believe how easy and inexpensive it was to throw together. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? I have this tiered tray in my kitchen, and it's been a hot chocolate station all winter. Now that summer's here, I thought it'd be fun to turn it into a s'more station using dollar store supplies. The first thing I did was clear out all the hot chocolate ingredients. I went to my Dollarama, I grabbed some marshmallows, chocolate bars, cookies, and a roasting stick. I also purchased this little cutting board, made some decals with my Cricut, and created an adorable sign for my display. I reused the jars from my hot chocolate bar. I love the various sizes and the bamboo lids. If you want to grab a set for yourself, you can find them at Dollarama. I chose the options that I had at my local Dollarama, but you can customize it for all your favorites. I finished it off by adding a roasting stick and placing another package of cookies in the back of the tray. And that's it. What do you think of this s'more station? I think it's super fun as a display, and it's ready to go the next time we have a campfire. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.